Hey everyone, it's Joe with RVing with Joe. This one's going to be short. We got good news, we got bad news. We got good news, bad news. The bad news might already be on your radar, so let's get to some of the good news points. A quick note to all you new subscribers, we just got a bunch added. Thanks for joining up, and I hope these videos earn your subscription. First good news, heck, it's my birthday this month. March is always my birthday month. It's also spring, and it's a great time to go out and RV. So I'm going to be heading out RVing in just a couple of weeks. I'm going to go down to Washington State. I'm going to go down to the new In-N-Out Burger that's just set up north of Vancouver, Washington. And if you want to see me or do a meetup, let me know. I know I've got a lot of folks in the Pacific Northwest. I was thinking about doing a meetup, and I just need to know in the comments that there's a handful of people that want to do it, and I'll arrange for something somewhere. It's time I start meeting people in person and not just seeing people on this little screen right here. The other good news I have is we're finally going to be selling stickers. That's right. We're going to have the RVing with Joe sticker and the RV's Gone Wild sticker. These are 5-inch stickers, and they're nice matted stickers. They hold really well. I have one of these same kind of stickers on the back of my truck, and I just compared it with one of these new ones a year later. Hasn't faded at all. So you get your money's worth. And the cool thing is, you can get these 2 stickers free. That's right. Get these 2 stickers free by signing up on my Patreon page. It's only $5, and these stickers are likely going to be priced at $5 each. So just by signing up, you're already winning. And I'll send you a couple of stickers. We're not working with any merchandising company. We are literally, me and Johanna are going to put these in envelopes and send them direct to you. All you got to do is sign up on our Patreon, become a member. The instructions are on our Patreon site, so there's a link in the description, and I'll just put it right here, so you can just type it in right here. Just head on over to the Patreon site. We do have a free membership tier, so if you just want to check something out, head over to our Patreon to find out how you can get 2 free stickers sent to you in Canada or the U.S. If you're outside the U.S. or Canada, send me a message. I'll see what we can do. It depends on which country you're in. And I haven't done all my research on every country's postal rates yet. The bad news, you probably already know, is we're practically in a world war right now, and gas is being heavily affected. In fact, even talking about RV and gas prices feels, just insignificant compared to all the stuff going on in the world. But the reality is this is an RV channel, and a lot of you folks were probably planning on going on RV trips this summer and this spring, and you may need to rethink the distance that you're going to travel if gas prices are going to go up crazily, and they just might. I'm hoping that they hit a steady plateau here, but we've seen in other countries and around the world prices really go crazy, and right now they're limiting gas in Vietnam and other third world countries because there's just gas shortages worldwide. Now, I don't expect we're going to run out of gas here in the United States and Canada, but I promise you, if supply is going down, then the price is going up, and that includes our gas. So you're going to be spending more gas. So gas going up anywhere is gas going up everywhere. It's one big market. And you can download this cheat sheet. I'm putting it up right here on the screen. I made it for me so I could track how much is it going to cost me as prices go up. Now, I made this for everyone, so I put different miles per gallons on there, but let's just do a couple of examples here. On the U.S. side, let's imagine you're doing a 1,500-mile road trip, and you're getting 15 miles to the gallon, at least for this assumption. And if it's $4 a gallon, which it looks like it's easily going over that, that's going to be $400 to go on that trip. So maybe that's what you were planning on before. But if gas goes up some crazy amount, even if it's just for a little bit, but let's just say it goes all the way up to $10 a gallon. Well, that's going to drive your price up to $1,000 to go to that same trip, and that might make you rethink that trip. I know I would. In fact, I know I am. If we look at Canada, it's no different. If we have a 2,500 kilometer road trip and I'm getting 18 liters to every 100 kilometers for my gas mileage, well, right now it's starting to touch $2 a liter, and that means that this trip's going to cost me 900 Canadian dollars. Remember, Canadian dollars are a little smaller than US dollars. Nonetheless, if it goes up to $5 a liter, that's going to be a $2,200 road trip all of a sudden. And I would definitely rethink that. And unfortunately, I do have some very long road trips planned, and I may have to rethink them. Now, I just want everyone to remember that whether you're camping with your family next to a lake that's 100 miles away or 1,000 miles away, you're still going to have a wonderful camping trip. So keep that in mind. Keep your eye on the prize. The whole idea is to get out there and get busy living and not have the perfectly long RV trip. Me, I like going long distances. I like traveling like a stray dog and just keep going in one direction for as long as I possibly can. That's not everyone's bag. That's my bag. And that just got a whole lot more expensive. So I have to rethink my plans. I know you're probably gonna have to rethink your plans. Feel free to download and use this little card for your own use, just to kind of think about, hey, prices have gone up to this. How much did my vacation cost just go up? You can always create your own little spreadsheet as well. I encourage you to do that, because prices are going to get wacky and you're going to need to forecast how much is this darn vacation going to cost now. It's not my favorite topic to talk about, but it's the reality. Because at these prices, if you can add just a few percent efficiency to your RV driving, you're going to save a whole lot of money if you're going a whole lot of miles. Good luck out there. I hope things calm down. And whether things get better or things get worse, I hope you can take some time for yourself, get out there this spring, and
Get busy living. Years move faster than they used to roll. Little more silver, little more soul. Camp chairs out in the cooling air. Night so quiet, it feels like prayer. Maps with circles we never drew, places we said we were getting to. Every weekend you let slip by is one more piece of your life gone by. Get busy living while the wheels can turn. Time won't slow and it won't return. Every sunset you never chased is forever gone, can't be replaced. We only get so much sky, so much giving. No rewind on the life we're living. Don't waste another minute wishing. Turn the key, get busy living. Get busy living while the wheels can turn. Time won't slow and it won't return. Every sunset you never chased is forever gone, can't be replaced. We only get so much sky, so much giving. No rewind on the life we're living. Don't waste another minute wishing. Turn the key, get busy living.